Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this pretty Lego house. So I'm going to take it apart, show you how. Alright, now that I've taken apart everything, I could show you how to build it. But first, let me show you what pieces you will need. So first, let's take out our 2x4s. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Seriously, that's all we need. You'll be thinking, why only 4? 2 of each color, to be specific. Well, we're going to be using a lot of other pieces. Next, we're going to be using a lot of these 2x4 slope pieces. Now you get why I'm not using that many 2x4 pieces. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, we're going to get our 2x2 inverted slopes to put under our roof. So, I'm going to pick out all the parts for you to see. These are how many 2x2 inverted slope pieces we need. We'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, found one more 2x4 piece. Comment down below if you spotted that before me. Next, we're gonna need some 2x3 slope. The pieces that are inverted. I'll place this here. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2x2 pieces. Let's put it here. Next, we're gonna get all our 1x2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's a lot of one piece. Next, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1x2 inverted slope pieces that we will put right here. 1 2x8 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1x1 pieces. So that's all we're gonna need. It's quite a lot, but I'll tell you, it's gonna be fun. We've got all our pieces disassembled. Let's put them to the side so I can show you how to build them. So first, we're gonna need these 2x2 pieces to go like that. Then we're gonna put this here, like this. And then we're gonna put a 2x8 on top. Next, we're gonna put another slope piece with some 1x2s. And if you notice carefully, we're 1 block short. So let's add it like this. But you can see, why am I missing this piece? Well, it's because we're going to be placing this piece here, like that. And then we're going to be placing these 1x2 glass pieces on top. Now, for this piece, you may have to remove the 2x8 so you can have space to put your piece. And then do the same for the opposite side. Except we're gonna need another 2x4 to go here. But you may have noticed, it's too tall. So let's make it shorter by a few. Remove a few windows. And remove one 1x2. And surely we should get what we're looking for. But then, you should probably realize, this piece is too long. So let's put a 2x2 here, like that. If you realize that, good job. You have some great problem solving skills. So now, let's put 1x2s here. Then, let's put some 1x1 pieces about here. Your house might fall over. It's okay. It's not a problem. Like that. Oh. See, I made another mistake. Now let's take this off and put our 1x2 slopes. Like this. Put this on top. Like this. Now our house is starting to come together. Let's put this piece where it goes, which is right here. And that's our house so far. Alright, so next, we're gonna need to move this over one to fit our next step. Which is to place this piece here. And then let's move it back. Just so you make sure you didn't make any mistakes. Like that. So now, let's start the roof of our house. So first, start by placing a bunch of 2x4 slopes on top of each other, like this. Now, we might be needing some adjusting. So, you can adjust it as you like. I'm just doing it my way. And if you want, you can follow along. And the pieces are going to be placed like this. So now that we're this far, let's start building the roof window. So let's get our last two 1x2 glass pieces, put them on top of each other like this. Now let's keep on going with our roof. So let's place our 2x4 slope pieces so that our house keeps going up. So now let's put this piece here and this piece here, and then we can place this there, this there. But you might notice there's a hole at the top. If you did notice, then good job, you have awesome problem solving skills. And like that. Next, we're gonna need to place these two into where they really belong. And let's keep on building our roof. So now we're really close to finishing. And this is how far we've gone. Next, we're gonna need to place a 2x4 right here. Now this might take some time to fit, but I've placed it like this. Next, let's do the bottom of the roof. You'll see why I'm doing this right now in a second. So, put all of your 2x2 slope pieces that are inverted underneath the house. And then put your 2x3 slopes at the very bottom. Like this. We're only gonna need one more, which is one last 2x4, which goes right here. And that's your completed house. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. See you next time. Goodbye.